County in western Massachusetts, Ulster County in east central New York, northern Delaware County in east central New York, Columbia County in east central New York, Albany County in east central New York, Greene County in east central New York, southern Schuyler County in east central New York,
southern Schuyler County in east central New York, southeastern Washington County in east central New York, Rensselaer County in east central New York, Bennington County in southern Vermont, Wyndham County in southern Vermont, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located around Washington County in east central New York, Rensselaer County in east central New York, Bennington County in southern Vermont, Wyndham County in southern Vermont, until 4:30 p.m. Mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Greenbush, Hills, 11 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Barricades to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations of benefits include Albany, Pittsfield,
Oh my gosh! EAS warning.
Hudson, Allenville, Catskill, Dougherty, Cooperative Falls, and Bellows Falls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This is a dangerous situation.
Oh my gosh!
These storms are producing widespread wind damage across the Mohawk Valley and capital region of New York. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Albany, Columbia.
For, I think Berkshire, or if not Litchfield. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Before 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Near Shasbury. The maximum hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
They're saying 70.
Considerable damage is likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Locations affected include Amherst, Northampton, Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Monroe, Montague, Hadley, Sunderland, Hatfield, Northfield, Williamsburg, Bernardston, Oakland, Conway, Shelburne, Leonard, Irving, Shutesbury, and Asheville.
Damage to trees and power lines. Damage is likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Amherst, Northampton, Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Monroe, Montague, Hadley, Sunderland, Hatfield, Northfield, Williamsburg, Bernardston, Oakland, Conway, Shelburne, Leonard, Irving, Shutesbury, and Asheville.
Now, Boston?
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a warning for northern Westfield County.
Oh! Here we go. Route 70.
Moving southeast at 105 miles per hour.
56 miles south of Praxville. Moving
Hour wind gusts.
5 miles per hour.
Source, radar indicated.
Includes 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Considerable tree damage.
Expects considerable tree damage.
Likely to mobile homes.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Impacted include
Locations impacted include Pittsfield, Torrington, Kingston, North Adams,
Barrington, Hudson, Catskill, Dougherty,
Saugerties,
Townsend, Hunter, Stratton, Monroe, Adams, New Hartford, Hurley, Clayback, and Lilly. For your damage is likely to Benefits include Pittsfield, Torrington. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Widespread wind damage across the Mohawk Valley and capital region of New York. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense
BMH cut out.
widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
While you enjoy
The building.
Oh, J&J.
Serious injury and
My freak, what is going on?
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near East Windsor to near Austerlitz, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazards include 60
Winds are picking up.
miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Westfield, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, Agawam, West Springfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Palmer, Ware, Southwick, Monson, and Granby.
Another SVR, again.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Worcester County in central
Oh.
Massachusetts, central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, eastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Hamilton County in western Massachusetts until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
the National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Worcester
Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Leominster, Fitchburg, Amherst, Shrewsbury, Northampton, Orange, Deerfield, Gardner, South Hadley, Holden, Belchertown, Northborough, Clinton, Palmer, Spencer, Athol, Pepperell, Leicester, and Groton.
and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Leominster, Fitchburg, Amherst, Shrewsbury, Northampton, Orange, Deerfield, Gardner, South Hadley, Holden, Belchertown, Northborough, Clinton, Palmer, Spencer, Athol, Pepperell, Leicester, and Groton. New York, southwestern Columbia County and east central New York until 5:30 p.m.
Oh my gosh.
At 4:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chester to near Great Barrington to near Sheffield to near Livingston, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable speed along the line extending from near Chester to near Great Barrington to near Sheffield to near Livingston. Locations impacted include Torrington, Great Barrington, New Hartford, Topeka, Sheffield, Claremont, Norfolk, Otis, Pembram, Keene, Newlyn, Sandusfield, New Hartford Center, Ashley Falls, Falls Village, Winsted, Barkhamsted, Salisbury, New Marlborough, and Colmar. Locations impacted include Torrington, Great Barrington, New Hartford, Topeka, Sheffield, Claremont, Norfolk, Otis, Pembram, Keene, Newlyn, Sandusfield, New Hartford. 50 hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Marlboro, and Talbot. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Hello, SVR galore. Here we go. This is gonna be for Northern Hartford, I bet. Yup, here we go.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Windham County.
Here we go.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Windham County in northern Connecticut, northern Pollen County in northern Connecticut, northern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, southern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts. Springfield, Enfield, Shrewsbury, Salem, West Springfield, Ludlow, Westboro. Locations impacted include Worcester, Springfield, Enfield, Shrewsbury, West Springfield, Ludlow, Westboro, Grafton, Worcester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Wellington, Holland, Wilbraham, Northborough, and Oxford.
To get you in the running for
At 85 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Springfield, Enfield, Shrewsbury, Agawam, West Springfield, Ludlow, Westboro, Grafton, Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Longmeadow, Suffield, East Longmeadow, Wellington, Holland, Wilbraham, Northborough, and Oxford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What's going on?
At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Brookline to near Sterling to near Spencer, moving east at 70 miles per hour.
Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:20 Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms are hazard included 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Damage is likely to mobile homes and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Boston, Worcester, Lowell, Cambridge, Quincy, Lynn, Newton, Lawrence, Somerville, Framingham, Haverhill, Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Revere, Peabody, McLean, Arlington, and Everett.
Okay, Upton. Yep, here we go.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, New Haven County, southern Middlesex County, eastern Putnam County, and southeastern New York until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
$15.60.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for 6 p.m. Southern Middlesex County, Eastern County, and southeastern New York. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Waterbury and Walcott around 5:35 p.m. Fisher around 5:40 p.m. Meriden and Brookfield around 5:45 p.m. Danbury and Middletown around 5:50 p.m. Newtown and Hartford around 5:55 p.m. Durham and Reading around 6 p.m. Monroe around 6:05 p.m. Bridgeport and Trumbull around 6:10 p.m. New Haven and Milford around 6:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
For me? Yup. I'm under this.
Connecticut, northeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, south central Middlesex Providence County in Massachusetts, southeastern Hennepin County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County in northeastern. The National Weather Service in Boston. Norwood, Milford, Milton, Stoughton, Dedham, Walpole, Mansfield, Easton, Hingham, and Canton. Milford, Milton, Stoughton, Dedham, Walpole, Mansfield, Easton, Hingham, and Canton. Locations impacted include Brockton, Quincy, Weymouth, Enfield, Woonsocket, Braintree, Cumberland, Randolph, Franklin, North Attleboro, Norwood, Milford, Milton, Stoughton, Dedham, Walpole, Mansfield, Easton, Hingham, and Canton. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Here we go. Yup, I'm under this. Power's out. Power's out.
County in central Massachusetts, west central Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woodstock to near Simsbury, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect considerable damage to trees and power lines. Damage is likely to mobile homes and buildings. Locations impacted include Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Woonsocket, Glastonbury, Cumberland, North Cross, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Wyndham, Plainfield, and Simsbury.
Well, power's out while I was uploading this YouTube video. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to deal with it for the next while. Fix alert, here we go.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
County in northern Connecticut, central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Plymouth County in southeastern County in southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, northern Newport County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along
miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Providence,
New station. WLVO.
Coming up. Remotely.
I love is
Locations impacted include Providence, New Bedford, Groton, Quincy, Fall River, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Plymouth, Taunton, Weymouth, East Providence, Woonsocket, Braintree, Coventry, Dartmouth, Cumberland, Randolph, North Providence, and Franklin.